North Bay Island in Andaman is a popular destination for tourists looking to experience the beauty of the Andaman Islands. Here is a guide to help you plan your visit to North Bay Island. How to reach North Bay Island can be reached by taking a ferry from Port Blair, which is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The ferry ride takes about 30–45 minutes, and offers stunning views of the crystal clear waters and lush greenery. Activities. North Bay Island is known for its water sports and snorkeling opportunities. You can go snorkeling to explore the vibrant marine life and colorful corals that the island is famous for. Other activities include scuba diving, sea walking, and glass bottom boat rides. Lighthouse. One of the main attractions on North Bay Island is the historic lighthouse, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding islands and the Andaman Sea. Visitors can climb to the top of the lighthouse for a breathtaking view of the surrounding area. Beaches. North Bay Island is home to pristine beaches with soft white sand and clear blue waters. Spend some time relaxing on the beach and soaking up the sun, or take a leisurely walk along the shore. Facilities. North Bay Island has basic facilities such as changing rooms, restrooms, and food stalls. It is recommended to carry snacks and water with you as there are limited options for food and beverages on the island. Best time to visit. The best time to visit North Bay Island is during the winter months from November to February, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for outdoor activities. Safety tips. When engaging in water sports such as snorkeling or scuba diving, make sure to follow the instructions of the instructors and wear appropriate safety gear. It is also important to stay hydrated and apply sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun. Overall, North Bay Island is a must-visit destination in Andaman for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts.